How to fix Microsoft Teams not launching. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Solution 1. Run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Solution 2. End Microsoft Teams tasks. Check if there is a task related to Microsoft Teams running in the background. If yes, right-click on the Teams task and choose End Task. End all Microsoft Teams tasks. Try opening the app and check if the problem is resolved. Solution 3. Repair or reset Teams. Solution 4. Use Teams Web Workaround. If the problem persists, you can use the web app version of Microsoft Teams. Solution 5. Use System Restore. System Restore is a feature in Microsoft Windows that allows users to revert their computer's state to a previous point in time. This can be helpful if you have made changes to your system that are causing problems. Select the one you want, ideally before the issue started occurring, and go ahead with the process.